Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name's Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and try on video, and it is featuring my BoxyCharm box. I'm so happy with this box because there are some pretty amazing stuff in here, so I'm super excited to show you guys what I got and do a look using all the products in here. What I love about this box so much is it actually has like a whole, it actually has products that I can create a whole look with. It has some pretty amazing stuff in there, and I'm pretty excited to show you guys what I got in my box. All the products that I received in here today are full-size products, and it is the BOXYLUXE box. So it is the upgraded version of the BoxyCharm, and this only happens quarterly. So we get a spring box, which was this box, and then we get winter box, summer box, fall box. So yeah, I'm super excited to get this box, and I love that we get this box in between our our usual BoxyCharm boxes, so I'm really happy about that. The total price of that one is $50, but the products that come in these boxes cost way more than that, so I think it is a total steal, and you get some pretty good products in here. We got some pretty good products in here, products I haven't tried before, and I'm super excited to go in. I do have my little card here that I can read of all the products that are in here. We got in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stuff in here this time around, so I'm super excited for that. I'll let you guys know about it, and yeah, let's just go ahead and create a look using the products that I received in here. So I've already set up some products that I have on here. The first product that I have on here is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. So I'm super excited to try this one because I've heard really good things about this moisturizer, and I'm just going to apply that right now because I did wash my face, but I have not put on a moisturizer yet. So I'm going to dip my hand into this. I'm just going to put this all over my face. It feels really, really nice. To put it all over my face. This product already retails for $48, so that's already like more or the same price as this box itself already. Alright you guys, so I've primed my eyes already, and I am going into this Morphe palette that came in the box, and this is the 15D Day Slayer eyeshadow palette. I have not owned this palette before, so I'm super excited to use this palette, and I think these palettes are super pretty. This retails for $16, and you guys already know Morphe. It is a really affordable brand, and I really do enjoy the products from there, and I really do enjoy their eyeshadow palettes. So let's go ahead and dig in and just create a look with this one. Also love that it has a really nice size mirror on here too. We're going to start with the crease shade as always, and let's go into this shade called In the Crease. This is meant to be in the crease. It's like a nice orange shade. Tap some color off, and let's apply that onto the crease. You want to do the same thing to the other side. Just put that shade in the crease, literally. We are going to jump into the outer corners. Go in with this shade first, Define, right here. So this is a nice brown shade. I feel like if we need to darken it, we will, but for now we'll put this as the base. For the shade in the middle, we are going in with this shade called Bronze Beauty. Like lash glue here. That House of Lash glue is seriously the best, but just it's really annoying when it stays on my lash line. Going in with a darker shade, this shade called Desert, and let's just apply some of that darker shade on the outer corners. Just want to make it a little bit smokier. I don't actually have a foundation in here, of course, so I'm just going to use my own foundation, and we are going in with the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. Next up, I'm super excited for this product. This is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. I'm super excited that it's in here, and this is in the light medium shade. And this is what this bad boy looks like, you guys. How pretty is this? It has a bronzer, contour, highlighter, brightener, blushes, finishing powders. How cool is this? So it retails for $45, so this is super exciting. I'm super excited to try this out. Yeah, let's just go ahead and work with this contour shade right here. Nice. I think it's really nice on my skin. Just need to do some blending. This is the contour shade. I did receive these two Moda brushes. So this one is more of a powder brush, but I'm going to try to use this one as a blush brush. And this one is a highlighter brush, which I am going to use with a palette. And these ones retail for $29.99. So, and I love that it comes with two, not just one. So it's cool that they added this in there. Alright guys, let's jump into this blush. Oh yeah, it's nice. Okay, Cover FX. You guys know what you're doing. Oh my god, it's like a nice glow. Let's go ahead and just apply some of this highlighter on. I'm trying to think if I want to go in with this highlighter. It's called Divine, or this one called Starlight. I'm gonna try this one here, Starlight. Okay, nothing's really picking up. I can't see anything. I feel like I need a more dense brush to be able to pick up the product. And yeah, there we go. That's what the color is. Okay, this palette is really bomb, you guys. I love it. So let's go ahead and work on the brows now. So I did receive this Iconic London Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion, which I'm a little bit afraid to use. So I've never tried any Iconic London products before, and I have been wanting to try some. So this is a nice opportunity to try that. And what we have is this little cushion product from Iconic London, and we have a little tiny brush here. I'm a little bit afraid to use this because I've never used this before for my brows. So let's just go ahead and try it out and see. If it doesn't work out, then if it doesn't work out, not everything works out. But let's just go ahead and comb this with a spoolie first. So I'm just going to spoolie my brows. It's kind of like a brow tint. Okay, I'm gonna have to just go and use my regular brow pencil to actually fill in the shape. So I think I'm gonna have a really hard time doing that with this product. Iconic eyebrow cushion costs $40. That is crazy. Sadly, this one did not work out for me, so I had to go in with my usual brow products, especially since my brows are pretty bushy right now. It's kind of hard to work with, so I couldn't really work with this one here. As you can see, I've also did other things to my face. So yeah, we are almost done here. We are almost done with the products. So next thing I want to show you guys is this beautiful lash right here from Lily Lashes. I'm so excited that Lily Lashes is in this box because they are some really high quality lashes. It costs $24.99, and this is in the style Gaia or Gaia, G-A-I-A, so you guys can help me pronounce that. This is a limited edition lashes, faux mink, and yeah, it's so pretty. I think Lily Lashes created this just for this box, I believe. Right, I love these lashes. I think they really make the look, and they're not too natural or too dramatic. I think they're perfect. Like, they're the perfect length and they're the perfect volume for like a very everyday look. So yeah, I like it. I believe this is on to the very last product, and this is a Becca lipstick, which I'm super excited. The Ultimate Lipstick Love, a moisturizing 8-hour long-wearing silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acids. This retails for $24, and this is the shade right here. How pretty is this? This. Doesn't smell too bad. Alright, so this totally turned my makeup look into like a more dark look, which is totally fine because I love a dark lip. Did I tell you guys what this shade is? This is in the shade Chocolate. So yeah, that's my lips. Chocolate. Let's go ahead and just spritz some of this. Alright guys, and this is the final look I created with the products that I got in my BOXYLUXE this month. I want to show you guys some of the products I couldn't really use right now, but I will be using, of course. I just want to show you, I did got 3 products, or other products that I got in here. And the first one is this Deborah Lippmann nail polish duo. I've never owned any Deborah Lippmann nail polishes before, so I'm super excited to see how they are. And these are 2 very beautiful shade as well. It's like a mauve tone, which I love mauve tones on my nails. It's so small and little, it's super cute. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. Next one right here is this more sparkly one, which is super pretty, which I really want to put on my nails. And this is in the shade Old Donna, and it has like nice little sparkles. Or like, it looks like some gold specks in there. I don't know, but I'm super excited to try this one. Definitely put on my nails. This next one is from Wander Beauty, and this is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So this is a mask, and of course I wasn't able to use this one right now. It says smooth on an even layer all over face, avoiding the eye area. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for mask to completely dry and slowly peel off from the edges. Lift off can also be used to spot treatment around the nose or T-zone area. So that's pretty cool. I'm really not a fan of peel off masks because they really hurt my skin. Because when you're peeling the mask off, of course, you're pulling at your skin, which really hurts. Other than that, I'm always up for trying new masks. I forgot to let you guys know the price of the Wander Beauty mask, and that one is $34. Oh my gosh, you guys, crazy. And the last one I got is this BoxyCharm train case. So it's like a little bag you can hold all your makeup in, which is always convenient for me because when I travel I like to like toss all my makeup in like a bag. And I like this too because it has like a little handle, so I can just pretty much carry it around. And yeah, I can put my stuff in here. It has BoxyCharm's logo on here. And yeah, it's pretty spacious. I could definitely put in my products on here. But yeah, I love the color. It's like a little holographic rose gold color. This retails for $20, you guys. So yeah, I'm super excited to use that for when I do travel. Let me go ahead and calculate how much everything costs. And this retails for $301. You guys, how crazy is this? And I paid what, $50? Not even half of this price, you guys. The iconic London eyebrow cushion was the only thing that didn't really work out for me, but other than that, everything is awesome. And this brush also didn't really work out for me, but I'm just not really a fan of these like fan brushes or whatever you call them, because they can't really pick up any product. But at the same time, I really love the little color, and I love that it's really soft. Yeah, I really liked everything that I tried on today. I'm super excited and super happy with the products I got in here. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys can see, I did color my hair, so it is a little bit different. It's not as dark as my previous hair. I just felt like it was time for a different hair color. I really hope you guys liked this video, and if you guys did, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.